Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're bringing you the latest updates on the Banwell Road and County Road 42 Reconstruction project. Let's dive into what's been happening on these crucial roadways. The ongoing construction of the Roundabout and other enhancements at the County Road 42 and County Road 43 intersection are Phase 2 of the reconstruction of the corridor between the City of Windsor boundary and County Road 19. The City of Windsor has allocated nearly $8.5 million for the improvements to the Banwell EC Row interchange in its 10-year capital budget. Roughly $2 million is scheduled to be spent on work this year, with the remainder on the books for 2025. The multi-year project includes widening County Road 42 to 5 lanes, building new roundabouts, and constructing bicycle lanes, sidewalks, and multi-use trails. It will be a significant upgrade to the area. Banwell Road at County Road 42 ends at a traffic light. To continue into the county towards County Road 46, we currently had a short jog right onto 42 and then a left to the 11th concession or County Road 43. This caused traffic to slow or back up on 42 and Banwell. The new roundabout addresses this inconvenience and eliminates the stop-and-go congestion in traffic we've seen up until now. The ongoing reconstruction of Banwell Road and County Road 42 aims to enhance road safety, improve traffic flow, and ensure the longevity of our community's infrastructure. With increased traffic in the area, from the Tecumseh Vista Academy, which serves both elementary and secondary students, next our EV battery plant with 2,500 employees, and the coming mega hospital to be built on 42, these upgrades are critical to handle the increasing traffic flow. As of today, significant progress has been made. Crews have completed the initial excavation and grading on Banwell Road, setting the stage for the new road surface. That's right, drivers can expect a smoother ride once everything is finished. Additionally, new drainage systems are being installed to better manage stormwater, which will help prevent flooding and maintain road integrity during heavy rains. On County Road 42, workers are focusing on replacing old pavement and installing new improved signage for better visibility. This will not only enhance safety, but also provide clearer guidance for drivers navigating the area. The county aims to wrap up this reconstruction project by the end of the year, depending on weather conditions. In the meantime, detours are in place to keep traffic flowing smoothly, so be sure to plan your routes accordingly. In recent news, local officials have reported that due to an unforeseen weather delays last month, the timeline for some of the aspects of the project has slightly shifted, but crews are working diligently to make up for lost time and stay on schedule. There's a lot going on in Essex County, so let me know if there is something I should cover in a video. I appreciate your help. That's it for today's update on the County Road Reconstruction project. Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you were affected by the construction. What do you think? I'd really like to know. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.